How to use drop zones. Need the chairs in the ballroom but the plates in the kitchen? Or would you like the serving trays in the kitchen and the glassware to go straight to the ballroom bar? No problem! The drop zone feature allows you to choose specific locations at your event space where items from your order will be delivered. Drop zones are managed on the cart page. You need to be logged in to use this feature, so if you haven't created an account, set one up first. Scroll to the bottom of your cart page and click on the Manage Drop Zones tab. Rename Default to your main drop zone location. To add another drop zone, click the Add Drop Zone button, then name your new drop zone and hit Save. You can now choose a drop zone for each item. Items will be grouped by drop zone location in your cart. When you're finished, hit the Update button to save the changes made to your cart. Drop zones are communicated to your delivery team and ensure your drop-offs run smoothly.